Action.
My name is Zachary Rader. This is Carter Castle and Gavin Sandel. We are the expert kids. Now we're going to show you about a volcano. First, you lift it up and there's a hole that it can go over. Then you take it out. Then you put it in. And then make sure the cap's off and make sure it goes into the hole. Then get a geyser tube with Mentos. Then you pull the trigger and leave the geyser cap on. Yeah. Oh! Oh! And that is one of our latest experiments. Bye. We don't have any more. Sorry, we can't.